Hello, this is Ashee from Crafting with Ashee and welcome to this video. This is the card making today. I really love it. It's really simple but ever so easy. So, I don't know if you can see, but in the background here, it's a bit difficult, but on this piece of paper there you can see I've embossed it. And that's the first thing we're going to do. Let me get out the embossing folder so you can see. It's called Painted Texture. And I've got here a piece of Whisper White, and this measures 14.35 centimetres by 10 centimetres. And this is one of our 3D or the really thick embossing folders, you know, that you have. And I'm just going to run this through my die cutting machine and I'll show you the result. Okay, so I've run that through the embossing folder. And you just get that lovely texture, as you can see on the back, which is so pretty. So before I do anything else, I'm going to adhere this down to my card base. And the card base is Poppy Parade, and it's a standard A6 card base. So that's an A4 sheet cut in half and then folded in half. And I'm just using some Tombow to do that, because with all this dimension from the embossing folder, it's going to stick better than the snail. So just do that, and then we're going to set that aside for now. And here I have a piece of Whisper White, and this measures 7.5 by 10 centimetres, and we're going to do some stamping. The stamp set we're going to use is an absolute favourite of mine, Painted Poppies. I'm going to use this little poppy here, and we're going to stamp in Memento, so I can colour them in using my Stampin' Blend alcohol markers. Okay, we're just going to stamp along the bottom here. Okay, didn't do a very good job there. I think my ink pad needs to be re-inked again. I've been using it a lot. I can see here in the centre I'm not inking it up properly. That's better. Give it a hold it. Yeah, much better. See? We just use our error as usual, and then I'm just going to re-stamp along the edge like that. Okay, so let's clean up. As you know, I love to clean up as I go along. Makes life so much easier. Take that off my block, and then I'm going to bring my little sentiment in, and I'm not going to take out the Stamparatus. I'm just going to use my grid paper here to line up my sentiment. And I should show you the stamp set we're going to use for this. It's a great sentiment one. It's called Happy Thoughts, and you can see it's got happy birthday, thank you, thinking of you, congratulations. Really useful set to add to your stash, but we're using the thank you. And I'm just going to put this, keep this straight as well if possible. And have that there. Lovely. So put that all aside. And we're going to do some colouring, and we're going to use the same colour as Poppy Parade. So I'm just going to quickly colour this in, and then I'll see you at the end. I'll put you on fast forward and I'll just zoom you in a little bit. So let's get on with it. Okay, so there's a little piece all coloured in. So now let's bring back everything. I have here a piece of the Designer Series paper, and this again is the Poppy Parade, And this time I'm going to use the script. So we're going to put some snail just on the back of here, on the back of our colouring. I'm just going to map this, whoopsie daisy, on our piece here. Actually, you know what, when I made this, I just remembered something. I didn't cut this all the way down, did I? No. So I need to cut off 1/2 centimetre off the top here, because I forgot when I was cutting it down. I can see I've made a boo-boo. So this will be fine, because my sentiment's not stamped that high. You can see we all make boo-boos, but there's ways to fix it. So I just lobbed off 1/2 centimetre off the top, and now it's going to fit my piece of Poppy Parade perfectly. And then we are going to put this on here. Like that. Isn't that cool? And then we have some of our red adhesive gems, or rhinestones rather, and we are just going to put some in the background. Scattered like that. Okay, so there are 2 cards, really simple little poppy cards to say thank you to someone. What do you think? Do you love them, hate them? Let me know in the comments below. If you did like them, I'd be grateful if you could give it a thumbs up so YouTube know, and don't forget to subscribe to future videos. If you want any more information about this project, supply list, links to my online shop, etc., it'll all be on the blog post on my website, and the links to that and all my social media links are in the description box below. That includes the details of my car club, which I run in my online Facebook group. So do come and check us out and see all the details. So thank you again. Until next time, enjoy being creative. Bye.